Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction about Stellar XLM. What's the price update? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please right now click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos about Stellar XLM. Now guys, XLM is completely going in the lows, 0.320219 USD dollar is the right now price of a Stellar XLM. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes of Stellar XLM, so now negative 1.16% changes occur in the last 1 hour, negative 7.47% changes occur in the last 1 day, and negative 13.16% changes occur just in the last 7 days, in the last week. So guys, it's clear from this update that the Stellar XLM price falls down from the last 7 days, from a 1 week. And my prediction is that they continue this falls to the upcoming 1 week more. And after 1 week again, there's a possibility that the XLM price will again pump and again the price changes will become positive, guys. Absolutely, guys. You know what, when I see these charts, so I'm very shocked and I'm very sad to see, because that's really a very quick falls. You can see that is called a quick crash, guys. Anyways, guys, sometime price pump, sometime price jump, but patience is a very good thing in a crypto market. Now all changes is negative, so you have to wait, guys. You have to wait for a good time. Wait it and hold. That's my recommendation for all of you. Subscribe now for more news and updates videos.